So beautiful peppers. We're on the pepper farm. Getting some peppers, some hot peppers. Nice, nice country pepper. Woman left for a friend come and come pick pepper. You see that?
But there, here easy.
Oh, the pepper bag. We'll show them another pepper bag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look at that. All of
The
that
pretty
pepper. Look
Come,
at that.
we're gonna get some tomatoes
Tomatoes
now.
now, so we're going down to the farm.
You want to hold it or you can?
Yeah, you can here.
You sure?
Yeah. Just say you
Oh. Ooh, some more pepper here. Ooh. Gee, when I come back, let me get some. It's like you can't stop seeing pepper. God.
We're going to stop now. We're going to get the tomatoes. Yeah, we should have Vanessa throw the peppers in one bag.
Okay,
and then
no
the tomato
problem.
in one bag.
No problem. Whoa, look at the greenery. And it's just cool and nice. It's not too hot and it's not too cold. It's just cool. So we're heading towards the tomato.
There's a pumpkin farm in there.
Pumpkin?
Yes, over that
Yeah.
side.
So then I have the pumpkin on it where we can get.
We can, from the top one. You want?
No, it's okay. Let. Oh, them yellow leaves, some down there, sir. Is the pumpkin, right? I'm so hoarse. Now these tomatoes. Look at tomatoes. This is what the people don't want. And guess what? I'm gonna take some. Look at it. You have green tomato, red tomato, green tomato, red tomatoes. Oh, this is what you pick. So when you do it like this, it will ripe after you put them down and they get ripe?
Because most of the ripe ones on the trees fall off. So
Okay.
you just put these down. You don't put them in the fridge, you just put them down.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I like
That's candies.
I like this stuff, because when I'm on my farm now, that's what I do video.
Oh,
Put it on
okay.
Facebook, so I like
Oh, okay.
My thing named Life on the Farm.
Oh. Well, this is Jamaica Good Life. And we're showing people abroad, all those people who overseas who, I'm not go back to Jamaica because don't get too bad and
There's still
too much
life in
crime.
Jamaica.
But crime there everywhere. There's everywhere. There, you name me one place in the world
That's really
that they're
serious.
not killing people. Name me one place in the world where they don't kill anybody. And then I say, oh my, what a genius. Look at these ones. Oh my God. Yo, well, in New York where I live, I have to buy these things. And I love tomatoes. So, and listen up, these that I'm getting are the rejects.
Yeah.
It's like they don't want these anymore. These are the ones that they don't want. And they're gonna plow the land again and plant a fresh set. Excuse my voice.
We have sweet pepper over here.
Okay.
But these not ready yet, so
Look at this big tomato. Candies.
where?
Look here.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah? It's two of them. Pick the thumb for me, huh? Both damage. You try your best, both damage, as long as it will get ripe. Don't
This-
waste the sweet peppers.
This is sweet pepper, but they're young.
Oh, okay.
So, the plant sweet pepper.
Oh, these are the sweet pepper plants.
Some baby ones on the tree here. We probably can get catch these on the camera.
And that's Candice, my cousin, walking me through. She's my tour guide.
So, sweet pepper.
Oh, wow, that's
From
pretty.
one.
I mean, it's not big, but it's nice.
And then you have some here. Some young ones.
Okay, let me see if I can get on the tree. That's the sweet pepper on the tree.
Oh, you're here.
And this is water
The catchment.
for the plant.
Well, some of them damaged.
But you don't want tomato. And that's my friend Paul. My friend Paul will go and like say, him and them born in him pocket. When can't touch dirt, that's him. Oh, I had a bottle of water. Wow. 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 Let me get those. Let me get those, please.
Yo, we're on the farm.
Started to reject peppers and tomatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what them don't want.
Okay. Oh.
So you best pick up where you want. No, you're not. Don't look at my bag.
The farm's up that side.
See the tomato there and pepper?
The farm's
Whoa.
up that side. We're here working hard from morning, Vanessa.
Right?
Yes. You didn't see us still in the
Look at
sun.
Manchester. A bus sweat.
We come out still in the sun early. Huh?
And I don't know if I beat you. If you want, whatever you want, pick it. If you put in the bag, if you're not picking none, you're not get none. I no giant church around here. And over that side where you see that those yellow leaf light, those are the pumpkin. You can finish over here. You could finish over here.
Some of the green ones, you have to leave them.
Oh, like if they're not fit, they won't ripe.
No, you can't put them in the
Okay. Whoa, that was up nice. Jamaican people don't look on land. They don't look on land around here. No, seriously. Seriously. I think if the people around here have good water supply, yeah, because some of them you can't see like drought. Mama Dada said in favor when drought takes scallion. You ever see some fine food people? Mama Dada said, look on that one the foot. Look like when drought takes scallion. So look at the pepper plant. The sweet pepper plant. They look like they want water though. You know this is what what they use to make castor oil. This you get oil nut. You know oil nut? Let me
the castor oil, everybody going crazy over.
Man, carry from castor oil, you know.
So this bigger tree there.
Right, I think that's the tree. Let's see what bumpy banana look like, you know. Cause bumpy good I not get one of this a banana for eat. Bumpy banana. Yes.
So it's almost fit.
Yeah. What, the banana?
Yeah.
Okay. But there's a lot of too much sucker.
Go and clear it out.
Eh?
Once you plant one in it's like
Yeah, no, but after a while you have to like
clear it out.
yeah.
So pumpkin.
Cause me see how Baba do it. Baba down on Norway. Him clear him like how you have all them trees. Him like take them out and transplant them.
That's what he's gonna do.
Oh, there's another bunch of banana. And this now is the pumpkin farm. Let me show you this young one. That's a young pumpkin. Yeah. This is the pumpkin farm. But a lot of mango trees down here, man. Whoa, I see a big pumpkin. Can this one have that one good? Ready? No, man, see it ready, so?
No. By itself right there?
Mm-hmm. Okay. But me tell you about the one that is ready, like me can compete the people in pumpkin.
That one. That's also, and there's more than one, you know. Quite a few.
Paul, Paul, you know when pumpkin fit?
This is not fit though.
Girl, how you know? Let me tell you what my mother do. She knocked the pumpkin, so come.
The pumpkin not fit yet, mama. That's when the things start drying fit.
Listen to me now. Me know when pumpkin fit.
Well, go pick your pumpkin then.
Me not pick. Let me look
You
first.
go come.
No more make sure say
You
it
come
fit.
the pumpkin.
Me I make sure say it fit.
Your mother come the pumpkin.
Oh no look.
It's not fit.
But of course it a dry up. See?
It's not fit.
No. People oh no look and tell me the pumpkin in a look fit. Let me show you how my mother do the pumpkin. She go like this. You know say them do it?
Yeah.
But that's I see another one there. But that's no when it's but this almost dry up. Look this time. This when it's dry, that's when it fits.
That one's not ready though.
Paul, but what no, you know what you watch a tone man here. Watch a tone man about my kong pumpkin. We don't know nothing about all when pumpkin fit. Boy, tone man I can kung. Mm-hmm. We never have no blooming flowers. We're approaching Mountain View Avenue where we're gonna well this is the front entrance of the Excelsior High School. But no. Oops, I have them kids on record, you know. They look like they stop. If I not get them, I'm never This is the area for Ding Dong. Ding Dong Ravers, the dance group. Yeah. Remember this group, the Ashe?
Ashe.
Yeah,
Dance company.
The dance group. Ding Dong Rivers Community. So is Picky gonna pick up here?
This one in the boy and one and then we come home.
Okay. So them have got. Bye.
Garbage truck.
That's Jamaica garbage truck. Which school is this over here again?
Mountain View Primary.
Mountain View Primary School. Mountain View Primary School. School crossing guard. Heavy traffic along Mountain View Avenue. And that's Camperdown High School students.
You want to second?
I really don't come back. Down here, some of my girlfriend father, they have the fiberglass piece. Deanery Road. Oh, Deanery Avenue. In Vineyardtown, right? Oh, yeah. Yeah? Okay. Oh, she live on Mountain View, Avenue, right? Okay. No, I can put it on the video. So, this is another bus driver, Auntie Bibsy's friend. They're gonna do a switch over with kids. Because some kids going in different directions. So, that's the Hope Together interview with Dean. That's another bus driver. That's
Watch me now, Dante and Anelia.
That's Dean, another bus driver.
Yeah.
And there's a parent. You're a parent, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, good morning. That's Auntie Bibsy and Dean doing their switch over. Now you get to see Auntie Bibsy, so she little bit. Oh, I want to get that. This is one of her baby school project. It's like a family. The road's bumpy. Moby Dick restaurant. I remember that restaurant there. They cook good curry. Oh, Randy, you need to go to Moby Dick when you come. And this is the Digicel building. Downtown Kingston. And the craft market is close to the Digicel building. So this is but Randy, you love your belly. So guess what? You need to go to Moby Dick when you come. When you come to Jamaica, go to Moby Dick restaurant downtown. The food is good. Jamaica garbage truck. Abandoned building. So we are approaching Marcus Garvey Drive. So we know Marcus Garvey Drive. Approaching Marcus Garvey Drive. And now on Marcus Garvey. I have separate down some down here. It's down there. Oh, this is what Nutra Mix. What do you do over there?
Animal feed.
Oh, like iPro.
Yeah, and it's a new power station over there.
And that's the new power station over there. So again, this is Marcus Garvey Drive. You see Jamaica have some good roads. Oh, you see the sign there, Industrial Terrace. I think Industrial Terrace take you back to Tivoli Garden.
Yes.
Randy, me know Jamaica. They take you back to Tivoli. And you have Greenwich Farm down right ahead of us. We're on Marcus Garvey Drive. There's a turn off on your right hand to going to Greenwich Farm. That's Petro Jam. Iron board, Ludi board, painting. Wow. Look at these. Craft yourself craft on Devon Road.
Plane the pan you know. Oh, my far one reach. Yo. And how I'm playing that?
Yo, run the tequila out there.
Plane the pan you know.
Is a plane?
I'm playing that. That's made up in the
Juicy, bless. Daycare for your kids. Kingston Spring Road. Good driver. Auntie Bibsy, you feel like, yo, Randy, you come meet Auntie Bibsy.
yeah.
Yeah, she say, yeah. This is Kingston Spring Road. Whoa. So all people are do them look hustling. Some JUTC bus. So we do it in Kingston. I think this is Don Robin, right? Register, but that's the Don Robin Primary School is over there.
What's in the front? That's it.
That's Don Robin Primary School, I know it. Mongrel dog. You see, everybody had something to selling, something to make a living, and then everybody around kill people on you. No, you're gonna go that way.
Yeah, man. So Washington Boulevard.
Right. Down nowhere.
Yeah?
I know it's where you turn off.
Now it's called. And then you go straight wrong. I think that recognize me. Yeah. 777.
Jamaica taxi, them no wait for nothing but passenger. Eh. Now I'm on Washington Boulevard. So the building them pretty like the people them down here. Washington Boulevard. Hugh Miller Avenue? Who is Hugh Miller?
No, yes, baby.
Sweet. Hugh Miller Avenue. That's a green home. Just like in America. Boulevard, and that's where I'm heading to right now. And again, this is Washington Boulevard. I think here they call it four roads, Mullines Road and Washington Boulevard intersection. Okay, this is the intersection of Washington Boulevard and Mullines Road. Some of you guys don't even remember these places. See, I can remember them. That's Mullines Road going that way. This is Washington Boulevard. Yeah, them driving a van back down here too. Them can't do it like that in America. Yeah, big truck here. Jamaica bus stop. Tire shop, local business. Yo, them change up the road them so bad. So you're going for shot straight cross, don't you? You can't go, you can't go? Yeah, you can't go, shut it man. This can't look so. I think I did a part of this, this is Washington Boulevard. There was a big Advent open Bible church. Used to the always further down. Oh, this is the Adventist church. I remember this. Seventh-day Adventist church, New Haven. Oh, behind here is the community of. No, this is New Haven. Rainy Park is further down. Excuse me. Oh, Tanquil Van. This is the entrance to New Haven. Donkey, whoa! Donkey in Kingston. Whoa! Yeah, you don't see how friend must see it. Because you know, see donkey at home, you know. No, sir. That's Corville, right? The entrance to Corville Garden. This damn, the thing, man, it can mess me up. And excuse me, I'm not as good as Randy in recording. You know, since that thing to call her, bro. Juicy, I sell juice there. Juicy!
Hello, sweetheart.
And this is the entrance now to Corville Garden. See? The sign, welcome to Corville. So this is the community of Corville Gardens. So kind of quiet neighborhood. Yeah, it's kind of, it's Corville is a quiet neighborhood. I mean, where the white man that come from? Jamaica have white people too, you know. You forget? Out of many one people.
That I want to visit. When you big old brother that you know take son.
So we're on Chisholm Avenue and we're approaching Maxfield Avenue. So this is Upper Maxfield Avenue. But of course, I said Chisholm Avenue is another garrison. But like I said, Jamaica is just like anywhere else. You have the good areas and the bad areas where, you know, you have the uptown, you have the downtown. It's just like how you would have some areas in New York, some areas in Brooklyn where you have good parts and bad parts. So it's no different. No different from in America. But it's hard, it's kind of hard to do a video from this car because of the thing at the bottom of the car, I have to hold up my hand like real high. And it's tiresome. I know the area, I tell my driver, I remember which part of the year. I remember when I know the road them. Chisholm of Waltham. So we're heading towards Crossroads right now.
When you go Crossroads, then past Radio Jamaica.
So we're approaching Linda's Road now. We have RGR. Remember GBC and RGR here. So that's where we're heading to right now. Story, I walk, I said them story there.
First edition. Two edition job.
Yeah? What do you mean two edition?
Front page, the front page in the early morning different from the front page in the afternoon.
Okay, so you have morning edition star and evening edition star. Okay. Well, that one them I never know.
Front page different. Front page different.
Oh, so two front page, that's the, oh, okay. So it basically like the headline on the front page is different in the morning from the afternoon.
I know, after 10 and paper run already, something I got me in the afternoon and run another.
Oh, okay. Got you.
Sorry, if you're not brother, I'm not stop.
On the ear, Randy ear, sorry if you're not driver, I'm not stop. A shutter driver. So this is RGR. See? RGR, you have school challenge quiz. Who remember that something? School challenge quiz. Dennis Hall, you remember the man that Dennis Hall? People in my age group remember that Dennis, that man that Dennis Hall. So yeah, we just passed RGR. How are music, huh? So me answer, Bibs, with picking up the school kids or something where you enjoy doing, right?
Yes, I have to.
Why you have to? You know you don't.
I am enjoying it because it's now how I make my money.
Yeah, but apart from the money part of it, when it comes to kids,
they are fun.
Okay.
Fun. Sometimes they act like they are my parents. If I go on a strange road or something like that. Say, Auntie, where are you going? Is that there so we're supposed to go?
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah, so Bibs that say, you know, she enjoy her children then. So give me one of the most fun memory you have with the kids. With any one of your kids. Just give me one of the most fun memory where you have with them.
Oh, this might not be
Jamaica police. No, I can't catch them good. Yeah.
And little boy.
No, I want you just talk like how me you talk, you know. Yeah,
Alright.
that's what I want.
I had a new set of sisters one time. Brand new set of sisters, but the mother kind of ghetto type, you know?
Yeah. So hold on. Just a minute, Bibsy. Alright, see the police vehicle in front of us because we are now in crossroads. Yeah, I'm gonna get my party. Randy, me not getting none of my party, alright? Yeah, back to Auntie Bibsy.
And they had a new set of girls. But they had the old set of girls, and when they knew, everybody look on you and, you know. So this day in particular, one of the other old girls said to one of the little new girl them, hey, don't sit down right yourself. So she looked on her and her big
What's the
sister
old
look
lady?
and say, what you mean by she not fit sit down there, so? She said, don't sit down there, so. The big sister just look on her and said, let me tell you something. You see my mother beat up one girl already, you know, and go to police station and tell the police and my mother do it, hey girl, me will beat you up. And from that day, them not trouble them again. Think I joke me again? Say, hey, my mother beat up a girl already, you know. And she go to police station and tell the police that she beat her up.
Yeah, she tell us, say, yo, my mother bad woman.
You understand?
So, alright. But
Yeah,
that's tasty. No, that's juicy.
juicy.
That's where we're going, right?
We go taste this up the road, eh?
So, me want more juicy and tasty.
You're lucky to taste it right there, so. Taste it, juicy. That is one, my goodness.
So, this is Apple Tree Road now.
Yes, I am.
Why? Oh, so I get tasty patty and juicy patty. So this is Apple Tree Road. No, yeah, Apple Tree Road. Right. And that's tasty. This one. These workers. Jamaica Defense Force up our camp. We are now approaching. So we're on South Camp Road now. Let's see if I can get some of those signs. And that's Tamred Come Drive. Watch him. Jesus Christ, don't drive there. This is up and down. JDF up and gun court now. So all gun convictions, this is so you know this is a prison. That's the gun court. I don't know why they call it gun court because it's not really a court, it's a prison for people with gun conviction. Why they call it gun court? It shouldn't be gun court. But this is still a part of the upper camp.
Yes?
The whole stretch of this stretch is a part of it. When I know if the soldier them smell so about something that smell right yourself. No disrespect to the soldier then. Soldier truck. That's a soldier truck. If you notice, you see the license plate says JD. So where we are now? This is Miriam Road. This is the way them called, down there so them called Duppy Gate. So where you coming in here?
I mean like a food house, granola bar, smoothie.
I just want something to drink. I would drink the water, but no, I would drink it. But I would drink the water, but the water in the car hot. Jamaica good life. See all some fruits there. So I get some. The money's in this. Come on. Market this. So I'm gonna get some juice, but I'm seeing these bananas. Well, it's not just banana. For people who don't remember what ackee look like, this is ackee. This is orange, pineapple. We just said pine, okay? Carrots. Jamaican. Randy, you want 2 apple? Jamaican apple. They have American apple too, but you know we don't want that. Okay. You want this berry? You can buy this berry now because never change on yours.
It's an ugly fruit.
Oh, this is ugly fruit. See? No, mix of the pudding. This is, what kind of pudding is it? It's sweet potato. Okay, that's sweet potato. That's sweet potato pudding. How messy so much American apple?
74.
74? Messy too much American apple. Okay. Yep. See the pudding lady there when I say Auntie Bibsy?
75.
Okay. The Auntie Bibsy with our fruits, with our smoothie. What's the name of it?
It's a granola bar.
Is that weed?
Granola bar.
Oats and fruits and cereal.
Oh, okay.
You don't want that one, but that one is
See Auntie Bibsy walk right to the car. So let me open it. Okay, this is in the afternoon. Auntie Bibsy come to pick up her kids. So there she come in with a bunch of kids. And we are in Rallington town. These are her kids.
Oh, Stevie, come darling. You don't belong at school yet.
Good afternoon.
Okay, guys, jump up. No, lift up nobody in the car, you don't get there. Back it the other day. Okay, up you go. Come here, some man, you know, up here. Up.